Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by selecting a well-reviewed VPN. Pick one with fast servers and a strict no-logs policy so your Omegle sessions stay private. Once chosen, install the app on your phone or computer and accept required permissions. This ensures the VPN can manage network traffic. Make sure to create or sign into an account and complete payment or activate the trial, because without that you can't connect to premium servers that reduce lag and connection blocks. Now you connect and configure. Open the VPN and choose a server near your location for lower latency, or switch to a country where Omegle isn't blocked if needed. Next, enable the kill switch and DNS/IP leak protection so your real IP never exposes you mid-chat. Once settings are set, pick the faster protocol, UDP for speed or TCP if stability matters, and then clear browser cookies or open a private window. Finally, verify everything works by visiting an IP check site to confirm the VPN-assigned IP and country are active. This tells you Omegle will see the VPN location. Then open Omegle, allow camera/mic access if prompted, and start chatting. If you hit blocks or poor performance, switch servers, change protocol, or restart the VPN app. And if problems persist, toggle the kill switch off and on or reinstall the VPN. This single troubleshooting step often resolves stubborn connection or leak issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.